mean, you can get on this place. I mean, I don't think they have it closed. Welcome to this episode of the North Shore Three-Way. This episode 1, to be in fact, of this travel through your taste buds of North Shore delicious and luscious sloppy roast beef sandwiches. For those who don't know what a North Shore roast beef is, I'll give you a little education real quick. You can only get it in the North Shore of Massachusetts. There are places around the globe who, try to imitate the North Shore roast beef, including places in Massachusetts such as the South Shore, which cannot do the proper beef style sandwich. I don't know what it is, why it's only pretty much north of Boston, close to the ocean, but it's just the way it is. And it's a delicious treat, and if I could eat one every day, I would. And since I'm going to be doing this little blog series for you, I might eat one every day, because there's plenty of restaurants in the North Shore that sell a roast beef sandwich that could satisfy me throughout the entire year. The reason we call it the North Shore Three-Way is because essentially it's slang, if you will, for the three-way is mayonnaise, sauce, and cheese on your roast beef sandwich. I particularly just enjoy the sauce, but who am I to tell you what you should and should not like, or your taste buds, as it's a potty in your mouth, if you will. This first episode, we're going to go really local, because, this is like the pilot episode, if you will. We're going to try it out and see how this goes, and then we're going to fine-tune it and go from there. So this first place, I'll pull out to Route 1 right here and try not to die. Here we go. Just half the fun is getting there. Let me do the breakdown lane shit. Here we go. Alright, this guy's gonna go. Alright. Alright, this first place is a place that I grew up eating. My hometown. I think it's technically Revere. It's like this weird part of Revere where Malden and fucking Melrose and Saugus and Revere all meet. It used to be called Bill and Bob's, but this place, they changed the name. It's exactly the same, but it's Mel's. It used to be called Bill and Bob's, but they changed the name. It's actually called Glen's right now, so that's where we're going to head. Alright, so we're at Glen's Roast Beef here, located next to Cappy's Liquor, North Revere, Route 1. You know, the holy four-way, I guess you could say, up here. I don't know the hell what city we're in. I could be parked in Malden right now, and this place could be in Revere. I think it's Revere. We'll find out. I'll put it at the end. Rule for every time I'm going to do this, I'm going to order a small beef sauce. I'm going to eat it. I'm going to tell you how it is. I'm going to enjoy it. I'll rank it, I guess. I don't know. I'll do 1 to 10. How's that sound? And then we'll go from there. And yeah, so let's go inside and check this place out. Alright, I tried doing this review outside. It's like we have this high wind advisory here up in Massachusetts, and camera almost blew into Route 1. So I already took a bite, but I'm gonna take another bite. It's delicious. The meat melts in your mouth. The sauce has a nice little tang to it. This is when you know you have a good roast beef right here. It's tender. It's moist. It's like a fiesta in your mouth. A little toasted bun, if you will. Good thing at this place too. French fries are also excellent. They get these deep fried mushrooms too. Fried mushrooms, beautiful. But you gotta be careful when you bite into them. It's like biting into lava because they're so hot. But it doesn't. Today we're just doing roast beef. We'll go do that another day. It's like there's it's like it's Cinco de Mayo in my taste buds right now. There's a Junior. Took 5 minutes, $5. Can't beat this. How can you beat this? This is what you're missing everywhere else in this country. I mean, this is a niche. You only can get this. And I did find out it is in Revere. It's on Bennett Highway, Revere, next to Cappy's Liquor, Route 1 North. They're open all night. I mean, you can get in this place. I mean, not only do they have it close. So I suggest this. I give this an 8.5. 8.5, and I would highly suggest this. Tell your friends, tell your wife. Next episode, I will be outside, hopefully, not in my car. But there's a chance of a tornado taking me away, and as much as I enjoy doing this stuff for you guys, I don't think I feel the need to die today. But if you do like the North Shore Three-Way, please subscribe by clicking the little subscribe button right there for the packing. Hit the little bell so you're alerted every time there's a new episode. And if you like me too, you can listen to my podcast, the Arty 84 show I do every Wednesday. It's also on this page, but one thing is enough, I guess. But we'll see you guys later. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. So I'm going to be looking for roast beef places, obviously, to go to. If you have a roast beef place you like, please leave a comment below. I'll check it out. Even if it's on, if it's in the South Shore or Metro West, if you will, I'll check it out. I know it's not going to be as good, but I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. And I think, really good. Actually, I'll only take one bite, though. So good. But I think you won't be disappointed by my review. I'll give it a fair chance, you know what I mean? Who am I to, be that guy, But hope you guys enjoy it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.